This is
All
also an
persons
encouragement
standing on
to
the
any young person
driveway
out
from
there.
the entrance should kindly move from there. Thank you. Persons standing on the driveway from the entrance should kindly move from there. All persons standing on the driveway from the entrance should kindly move from there. Thank you. Extending through Ghanaian heritage. Extending
This is the oath of allegiance. I, your name,
John Mahama,
do in the name of the Almighty God,
name of the Almighty God swear
that I will bear true faith
that I will bear true faith
and allegiance
to
the Republic of Ghana as by law established,
that
I will uphold
the
sovereignty and integrity of Ghana.
The rural boy. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Honorable members, after His Excellency William Ruto is the President of the Republic of Liberia, His Excellency Joseph Numa Boakai Sr.